Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Music Man's Garage. Today I wanted to do a short video about my new C8 that I purchased a little bit over a month ago, and just kind of go over a couple of things that has been done to it. So let's go ahead and dive into that. So right now I am parked outside of Sweetcars, and the reason that I'm parked out here is because they just recently put these wheels on the car. They are E5 wheels. Sweetcars also installed this high wing spoiler. The high wing spoiler is made from Racing Sport Concept. They are located in Ohio. I will leave the website in the description down below. So Sweetcars had to take this whole rear bumper off the car to mount the spoiler on the back of the car. Also, as you know, I had the windows tinted at Lux Auto Restyling up in Layotto, Indiana. So the few things that I have had done to this car so far have been, number one, window tint. Number two, I brought it here for the wheel and spoiler install. The other thing that I have had done to it is I just recently today had my radar detector hardwired and hard mounted into the car. And as you can see from this, it is hanging from the mirror. This is like the fourth car that I have used this company called Blend Mount. They make a high grade aluminum product that goes on the mirror, and then you hardwire your radar detector into the car so that you don't have any wires or anything hanging down. So those are the few things that I have had done to the car so far. I will also tell you that I do have an appointment next month to have the whole top of the car is going to be wrapped in a black vinyl. They call that a tuxedo wrap. And also the whole front clip of the car, from the front of the door all the way around to the other side of the front of the door, will have PPF, paint protection film. Now, the other thing is that I have done to it on my own, and I did this in my garage a couple weeks ago, is I did ceramic on the car. I started at the front of the door. I went all the way around the whole back part of the car. I did not put ceramic on the whole front clip as well as the whole top of the car, because that would really affect them installing the PPF as well as the tuxedo next month. Now, once they put the PPF and the tuxedo wrap on the car, then my intentions and my plans are to do another whole ceramic coating on the whole car. Obviously the PPF made by Expel and the vinyl wrap on the car, the tuxedo wrap, will have ceramic already infused in it. But just because I always want that extra level of protection, I will go ahead and put ceramic again, or a second coat of ceramic all over the whole car. Now that may not happen until sometime in the fall, but I want to do everything I can to protect this car. I'm telling you what, I have 1,152 miles on this car. It is an absolute joy to drive. I never thought I'd say this, but I should have just skipped over the C7. I should have skipped over having 4 different Camaros. I should have just went straight in and got the C8 and just been done with it, because I'm telling you what, this car is an absolute blast to drive. It is so much fun. It has so much pickup. It is a beautiful car. And now I have to figure out what I'm going to put on the license plate. I have a couple of ideas. So what I'll do is I'll make up my choice. I'll get the plate in, and on the next video, I will show you exactly what I decided to put on the plate. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today. Like I said, I wanted to just do a short video I guess we can call it a 1-month video of ownership. This car is phenomenal, so much fun to drive. Now today it is 95 degrees out. So again, this goes back to what I said before. Having a convertible is cool. And as we all know, even a coupe is a convertible because you can take out the target top. But how many times do you actually take the top off? Because when it's really hot like this, it's really not that enjoyable to have the top out. Now later on tonight, when the sun goes down and it cools off, yeah, that's when you have your Corvette. That's when you take your coupe and you take the target top off and you enjoy the evening. Anyway, enough of that. Thanks for hanging out with me today on my Corvette C8 update. Music Man, I'm out.